Hey, hi there. Welcome back to my channel. This is my first video in front of the camera. Today we'll be discussing very basic concepts in Selenium, like how you can capture a screenshot in Selenium. And I'm not going to open any IDE here. So just I'm going to explain you in theoretical way. I hope so it will be very helpful for you and I hope you will be easily understand. Okay. First we'll be opening Eclipse IDE. And after that we'll be creating a new project, and after that we'll be creating a package, and after that we'll be creating a new class. Okay, so this is the first step which we'll be doing very normally in Eclipse, normally in Java. So we'll be doing the very basic thing here, and after that inside our class we need to write the piece of code. So that we are going to discuss now. Like, I'm not going to show you the code, but I'm going to explain you the complete syntax, so based on that you can easily understand. Before this, so you need to navigate to selenium.org website. So you need to download the Selenium jar file, like it will be 2.531 or it will be Selenium 3 or whatever it may be. So based on your requirement, you can download that. And after that, you need to download the Google Chrome driver as well. So if you are using Google Chrome browser, like it will be 89 version means, so you need to download the same Google Chrome driver version. Else you will be getting incompatible error, like browser version is mismatched, like those errors will be getting the Eclipse IDE console. After downloading your Google Chrome driver, now open Eclipse IDE and go to your class file, and inside that, so first you need to import your Google Chrome driver here. So for that, system.setProperty, open parentheses and open double quotes, webdriver.chrome.driver, and make a comma here, and after that in double quotes, so just you need to give that path, like where you downloaded the Google Chrome driver, right? So you need to give that complete path here. After that, and with semicolon. Now you need to initiate the Google driver, right? So driver is equals to new Chrome driver. Now we have initiated a driver, and driver.get. We need to navigate a website, like where we can capture our screenshot, and based on your requirement you can navigate to any website here. So I'm going to navigate here, driver.get https. I'll be navigating to google.com. After that, driver.manage.window.maximize. Okay, my browser will be maximized here. Now I'd like to capture the screenshot. File variable name is equals to open parentheses, again open parentheses, TakesScreenshot, close parentheses, driver.getScreenshotAs, output.file, close parentheses, and end with semicolon. In the next line, org.apache.commons.io.FileUtilities.copyFile, and you need to give a variable name which you used in the first line, like file variable name. The variable name will be test. So the test variable you need to call here, test, new file, in the parentheses, open parentheses, and in the double quotes, so you can give your location. So where you would like to save that particular screenshot in your local machine. After giving that, so give that screenshot name and add the extension, like it will be PNG file or it would like to save in the JPG format. After that, end with parentheses and end with semicolon. Yeah, this syntax I'm going to update in the description, so please go through and check that one. This is a very basic concept. Like, going forward, I would like to explain all the concepts in front of the camera only, instead of going the IDE and explaining all. Instead of why I'm doing this means, so going to IDE and everyone will be explaining the piece of code and you'll be getting the output. But if we go with only the theoretical way and we'll be following the syntaxes means, so it will be very helpful for us. So if I do any mistakes, so if I want to learn from the other people also, so it will be a very good thing, so which I am doing right now, I feel. So that's why I'm not going to open any IDE here. So going forward also, I'll be explaining the syntaxes very clearly. So if you follow the syntax, so it will be very easy to achieve the goal. So that's the main thing which I would like to express here. Yeah, and after that, so you need to add driver.quit. So the browser will be quitted and your operation will be done here. So before driver.quit, so if you want, you can add a statement called system.out.println. So in the double quotes, screenshot is captured successfully, and end with parentheses. Yeah. So inside that system.out.println, so always it will be a string will be enclosed in the double quotes only. Okay. Yeah, thank you. We'll be seeing you in the next video. If you found any mistake or if you want to give any feedback, so please comment in the comment section, and going forward I'll try to improve accordingly. Thank you.